What I'm about to show you will forever change how you look at real estate investing. Everyone wants to get into real estate in 2025, but not everyone has the cash to drop on a rental property or deal with fixing leaky faucets at 2 a.m. The good news? You don't need to. There's a smarter way to invest in real estate without ever owning a single property yourself. And today, I'm breaking it all down. This is For the Low, where we show you how to save money, grow wealth, and live smarter through deals, discounts, and smart investments. I've done the research, so you don't have to, and today we're talking about one of my favorite platforms, Fundrise. Over 2 million people have already joined, and there's a reason why. So here's the deal. Fundrise is a real estate crowdfunding platform. Think of it like being part of a real estate Avengers team. Instead of buying one house on your own, your money joins forces with thousands of other investors. Together, you own shares of big projects like apartment complexes, commercial spaces, and residential communities. That means instead of stressing about tenants or property taxes, you just invest, sit back, and let the professionals handle the heavy lifting. Benefit 1. Low-cost entry. Traditionally, you'd need tens of thousands just for a down payment. With Fundrise, you can get started for as little as $10. That's literally cheaper than a pizza night. Instead of eating your money, why not let it grow? Benefit 2. Hedge against inflation. Let's talk inflation. Everything from rent to groceries costs more today. But here's the hack. Real estate historically rises with inflation. That means as the cost of living goes up, the value of the properties in Fundrise's portfolio goes up too. It's like putting your money on an escalator. It just keeps moving upward over time. Benefit 3. Long-term wealth and dividends. Fundrise pays you in dividends and appreciation. Imagine planting a tree. Every quarter you get fruit while the tree itself keeps growing bigger. Reinvest those dividends and suddenly you've built a forest of wealth that compounds year after year. Personal experience. And here's what I love. Fundrise sends me emails about new properties they're investing in. It feels like I'm getting an insider look at the real estate world without lifting a hammer. Plus, that first $50 Fundrise gave me in shares was the jumpstart I needed. It made investing feel real, not just a dream. So if you've been waiting for the perfect way to start investing in real estate without buying property, Fundrise might just be the smartest move in 2025. You don't need to be a landlord. You don't need 6 figures. You just need the willingness to start small and let compounding do the rest. If you think Fundrise fits your or like to own some real estate without any heavy lifting, check out the link in description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you rather own one house or own a piece of hundreds of properties at once? Let's talk about it below.